Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another DIY video, and I decided to go for some DIY charms. I really enjoy creating charms for you all, and I hope you guys enjoy them as well. Very easy DIY, and also the main source that I use to create my charms is any sort of gel top coat that you can cure under the lamp. But there are the other ways that you can create charms. This is just the way that I create it. Everybody, or at least the majority of people, do have like gel polishes and stuff, so I feel like this is the most effective, easiest way to show the way to do charms. So that's the way that I prefer to do them, and that is what's easiest for me. And by the way, I hope everybody is having a beautiful start of the year. Happy holidays, happy new year, and I hope your start of 2022 is going very wonderful for you all. And by the way, for those who don't celebrate it or just don't really care for holidays, I hope you had a beautiful winter along with a great start of the year as well. So here I have the colors of my choice that I decided to pick out, along with some charms. And I absolutely love creating charms. I always mention how I like doing like a combination of buying them and creating them. But I'm not gonna lie, I have a lot of fun creating them for some reason. So I'm definitely going to be using this mold today. I recently actually hauled this, and I did purchase this through AliExpress. I always mention that you could purchase these through Amazon, or you could purchase them through another site or AliExpress. I purchased these through AliExpress. You just put silicone nail molds or nail molds. But yeah, I am super excited to be creating this one in particular with like the little flowers and the strawberries. I thought it was super cute, so I'm definitely gonna be putting that one aside. I think I'm gonna also create some little chocolate bars. I really like this one, so I am definitely gonna be creating those charms as well. And I'm gonna put these aside. I think I want to do Mickey Mouses today as well. I love these. And then I think I want to do probably the Chanel ones. I think are really nice. So I'm gonna do some more of those. And I think for this video, I kind of want to do bows again. I'm not sure. Just look through this really quickly. So I have candies and I have bows. Okay, so I'm gonna just do bows as well. And I think that's a pretty great quantity for just a video. These are like little seeds and animals. These butterflies look really pretty too, but I don't really want to make them in today's video, but some goldfish. I really like these cookies, so I'm gonna make those too. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in the bag, the ones that I'm not gonna be using. I'm also gonna make these little cookie molds, which I've made them in the past, but I mean, you could just never, have enough. So, and I'm definitely on the lookout for like new molds that I can create. I know I haven't used all of them in my channel, but I just want to collect as many as I can possibly encounter or just find on, AliExpress or Amazon. So I'm just going to quickly show you. These are the ones that I'm going to be working with in today's video. So the way that I like doing this, I don't have any more lint wipes from Couture, so I'm just going to be using these tiny lint-free wipes. So I'm just going to grab like probably, I think 2 is enough for now. And I'm also going to be grabbing, hold on a second. This is really effective when you use like a really precise tiny dotting tool to mix. That's what I like to use. And then other than that, I think we're set and ready to go. So pretty much what I do, which is very effective and easy, is the main source of my base of like how I fill the mold is the gel top coat. And I do prefer no wipes, but it's definitely up to you how you want to do it. I've had issues with curing in the past. That's why I fill it mostly with a gel top coat instead of the actual color, and then I do cure it for 5 minutes under the UV lamp, at least in increments of 60, of course, because that's just the max that the lamp will do, unless you want to do 90. But then it does, for example, my lamp, if I do it at 90, what will happen is that it cures it at a lower wattage, and that's not what I want. So I just do 5 minutes in increments of 60 seconds. So It's very simple and very easy. I hope I explained that well enough. And I'm going to start off by using the Beetles gel polish. So this is all Beetles Pine. I think it's called this brand. I don't really know how to pronounce it. I think there's some of those in there, or probably not, but it's, yeah, mostly just Beetles and one model, one's color. So what I like to do is I like to grab my dotting tool and place the color on there. Probably gonna zoom in for this. And then what I do is I like fill it in with the color, like a little bit. And make sure it's filled in. You just wipe away any excess. And these ones are really inexpensive, so definitely encourage anyone to go out and try these out. So this one's gonna be like a glittery translucent. So these are the charms that were created in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have tried this out, if you plan to, if you have silicone molds, if you enjoy doing this. I'd love to know your comments and thoughts and opinions. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a like to let me know to continue making content like this. Thank you guys once again. I really appreciate you all for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next upload.